Here, I have started in a connected Google Sheet. It is not just one flat export. Anomaly can see separate tables from the workbook, including orders, returns, people, and customer context. Now I am asking for one weekly reporting dashboard. The important part is the ask. Use orders and returns together, and only pull supporting context when it helps explain the result. I am compressing the build step here. Anomaly is reading the sheet, choosing the metrics, and turning the workbook into a dashboard the team can review before the weekly meeting. Now we have the dashboard. It created the main KPIs first: total sales, total profit, order count, and average order value, with filters for date, region, segment, and category. This first chart is the weekly sales and profit trend. Instead of looking through rows, the team can see where performance changed during the year. Next, it breaks sales and profit by category. This is the first place I would look for which part of the business is carrying the result. Then it shows the same sales and profit view by region. That is useful because the weekly review can separate a company-wide trend from a regional issue. Now the Returns tab comes in. The dashboard is showing returned sales and profit impact by region, so returns are part of the weekly review instead of being checked in a separate sheet. And this is the part I would use at the end of meeting prep. A review table that turns the dashboard into follow-ups. The workflow is simple. Connect the workbook, ask the reporting question, review the dashboard, then use this table to decide what to inspect first.